yo, that's a boy.
Comedian Kendrick Mulamwa is now in yet another relationship despite having proposed to his baby mama, Ruth K. The jester has taken less than 3 months to bag himself a new girlfriend, whom he claims is not Kenyan but from Uganda. Mulamwa shared photos of his new catch, and fans were quick to notice her massive derriere. However, Mulamwa is yet to narrate what attracted him to woo the lady into a relationship. Baby hata hajui Kiswahili sana. She's Ugandan, Mulamwa stated. Mulamwa continued by advising people to always move on without necessarily keeping track on time. Huwezi kaa hapo kwa mlango unalia, keep moving whether umepata mtu right or wrong. Unaweza kaa 5 years na bado upate mtu wrong, he continued. Speculation about the split between Mulamwa and Ruth K intensified after Mulamwa notably omitted celebrating Ruth K on Mother's Day. Instead, a surprised fan by posting photos of her ex-girlfriend, Carol Soni Muthoni, with their daughter, Kayla Onyando, wishing Soni a happy Mother's Day as the mother of his child. Happy Mother's Day, Mama Kayla, he wrote in a widely shared Facebook post. This came shortly after Mulamwa publicly announced his breakup with K, an announcement that left many fans thrilling. Following the news, Ruth K's primary Facebook page vanished, prompting her to create a new account to stay connected with her followers.